Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, in anticipation of another recipe that we'll be making soon, I'm going to show you how you can make a suitable substitute for mascarpone cheese right at home using easily accessible ingredients, and it costs a whole lot less than buying it at the store. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very suitable substitute for mascarpone cheese in your recipes. Now, if you are familiar with mascarpone, it is an Italian cream cheese that's a little sweeter, a little tangier, and it's very, very rich. Now, in my area at the gourmet grocery store that has the really nice cheese counter, which is really the only place you can get mascarpone, a 4-ounce container, which is equal to a half a cup, is over $12. So today I'm going to show you how to make this because I'm going to be using it in a recipe. You use mascarpone in things like tiramisu and cannoli, in a lot of different creamy based Italian desserts. It can also be just whipped up and sweetened and used as a dip for fresh fruit, and it's just really lovely, but it's really expensive. And when you're gonna cook for a crowd or make things for special occasions, sometimes you just don't want to spend that kind of money on a little bit of cheese. This is super simple. You're going to need 2 bricks of cream cheese. This is equal to 1 pound of cream cheese. I'm going to use a half a cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to use a half a cup of sour cream, as well as 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, when I say heavy cream, that's heavy whipping cream. In some parts of the world, you guys, it's got to be at least 35% butterfat. So that's where you're going to look. It's not light cream, it's heavy whipping cream. So what you're going to do to start off is you're going to go ahead, this is at room temperature, the cream cheese at room temperature, which is just what you want because you don't want any lumps and you want this to whip up nicely. So I'm going to use my hand mixer and I'm going to whip this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, nice and whipped. Now we're just going to add all the other ingredients. So in with our half cup of heavy cream, our half cup of sour cream, and I like to use Daisy brand sour cream. That's my favorite one in my area, and that is because it's only cream and culture. And there goes our tablespoon of lemon juice. Whip this together until it's nice and smooth. And that's it. That is how easy it is to make a suitable substitute for mascarpone cheese without having to spend an extra lot of money on it. Now, this can be kept in your refrigerator. You can make it in advance and keep it in your fridge for up to a week before using it in your recipe. You don't want to freeze this, so only make as much as you're going to use or serve or mix into a recipe. You can have this, like you can make only half of what I made. It's pretty easy to divide up into it. What does it taste like?
It tastes like really tangy cream cheese.
Tastes like tangy cream cheese, which is what mascarpone cheese is. It's super rich. Now, some recipes out there will tell you to add more butter, but I just don't think it needs it. And those recipes often don't have the sour cream in them. I found the addition of the sour cream and the lemon juice and the heavy cream to be just the perfect combination. So I'm going to be using this in an upcoming recipe. Look for that. But that is how easy it is to make homemade mascarpone-ish cheese. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll be using this in a recipe. And I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.